I thought I knew what adventure looked like. Mountain rides or coastal rides. Technical or scenic. You pick one, you lose the other one. You choose one, you sacrifice the other. But what if there is one place where you don't have to choose? Where in a single day, you can ride over 3 different worlds. By the end of this video, you'll see why this tiny island became every rider's dream destination. Here's the thing about being a motorcyclist. We are always chasing the perfect ride, that one ride that has everything. But the perfect ride doesn't exist, right? You pick the mountains, you miss the ocean. You choose a technical trail, you lose the smooth tarmac. It is always a compromise. At least that's what I thought before I came to Cyprus. The island is 100 kilometers long and 250 kilometers wide. And according to locals, it has everything. I gave myself one day, sunrise to sunset. If I can pull this off, then I can prove to myself that the best ride does exist. Usually when you think of a Mediterranean island, you would think of the Mediterranean Sea, maybe some pine forest. But right now we are at almost 1,000 meters altitude. We are at Troodos Mountains, where you have the... Well, we're not too much on the top actually. We're just in the lower parts. You can see a lot of vineyards here, and please stay on the video because there is something very important regarding Cyprus wines that you will see in a bit. And we're now going to Troodos Observatory, which is a very nice building. I'm not sure it will be lucky enough to see it open, and you can go there and observe the moon or any other planets. So we are right now at Agridia, and you can see already up there, that's a really beautiful building. The sky is not very clear, and also it's close, so we cannot really observe anything right now, but just the view from here and the building itself is beautiful. So we're now going up to the top of Troodos Mountains. As you can see, I'm driving the KTM 1290. It's quite more powerful than my Honda Transalt, but I really enjoy it. It's quite chilly, like 10 degrees Celsius. It's okay with the jacket alone, I can do it. So the tarmac here is good. We do have some nice switchbacks. As you can see, the street is pretty new, well maintained. Oh, some more riders here. This is the greatest thing of the motorcycle community. It doesn't matter who you are, what you're doing, as long as you're on 2 wheels. We are just a few turns before the Troodos Square, which is almost at the top. Here is we're very close to the ski center. And I think over here they used to have a Christmas market, maybe, I don't know. It's quite misty here, and it also smells like resin. It's really nice. So we're at 1,400 meters. So we're now leaving Troodos Square. It's already almost 12 o'clock. Let's see, guys, let's see whether we will make it. We still have different terrains to cover. What do you guys think? Please let us know in the comments. How do you like so far the rides? Do you think it's interesting for you? I'm quite curious to hear. funny coincidence. So we were just I was just filming with a drone at Troodos Square, and then I see this man. I'm like, wait, I do know this person. Well, this person was the President of Cyprus, and he was just going for a walk there, so we took a picture together. So there is a bit of snow here. It's quite misty. We're driving slower now, and I also like this kind of pine trees, you know, the ones that you can find only on the high mountains. Well, unfortunately, it started drizzling a bit now. Let's see, the challenge is still on. We need to make it. I really hope this is not gonna be a problem. I see it's getting heavier now. Let's hope it's not that bad. Oh, there is ice warning. Okay, let's be careful, guys. I really don't want to drop this motorcycle. First of all, it's not mine, and second of all, I might get hurt. I think it might snow today, so it's good that we actually made it before it snows. We gotta be careful here. You know what's the funny thing? In 30 minutes from now, without the stops of course, we will be actually driving by the beach. Quite surreal, I would say. It's like driving on an alpine road and then you are by the beach. That's quite unique. We are still descending. The road here is it's quite challenging, I would say. It's not an easy one. Well, maybe I should focus on driving other than vlogging. So yeah, it's quite challenging. There's a bit of these pine needles on the side which are very slippery. Should be extremely careful. A lot of blind corners, a lot of tight ones, and then the streets are a bit narrow, but it's quite fun. Let's see if we will make it. I think we will, but hey, this time of the year, I think it's one of the best times to visit Cyprus with a motorcycle. Yes, you might not be able to see him unless you're very brave, but well, the temperature, it's not that low. If you live like on a colder country, then this will be fine for you. This is like early spring in Central Europe, let's say. It's quite nice. Also, the streets today are pretty empty because it's right after Christmas and then people are just staying home, so we took the opportunity to drive today. Okay, where do we need to go? Peter is coming. You know, on these tight corners, I really wish I had my Transalp. It would be way easier to throw down. But don't get me wrong, this KTM is great to ride. As long as you don't own it, then it's great. Because you need to take it to the mechanic every week, no? That's what people say. But it's quite fun to drive, of course. Look at this guy, he's quite happy to see us. This is the Cyprus donkey. Quite famous. Hey, hello. Come here, come. He wants to be free. We are now doing a bit of a detour because there is this nice medieval bridge. It was built many years ago during the Venetian era, and it was mostly used to trade between Limassol and Paphos. You can imagine there weren't these kind of streets there, right, back then. And it's quite famous. It still remains intact. I really hope that there is also some water flowing below. Let's see. Now imagine, guys, like all these merchants back in the day had to go through these forests every day to sell their goods throughout the cities. There was this criminal group living in those kind of mountains, and at this bridge, I think it was called Hasambuya, it was one of the spots that they would steal the goods from the merchants and hopefully not kill them. Well, it's not the best tarmac here. Couldn't miss a bit of an off-road adventure, right? And here we are. So this is it. This is not just a bridge, huh? This is part of the whole medieval history here. And Mamas was saying that back in the days, and the water used to reach the height of the wall there. I just met Niklas here at the Jelefos Bridge, the world. He's originally from Finland, but you've been living here for how long?
Almost 15 years.
How do you rate the motorcycle scene and routes here?
It's fantastic.
Yeah,
Absolutely fantastic.
Which area do you think has the best routes?
It's definitely like the middle, the Troodos and area.
Mountain,
So I think if you talk about the main districts, all of them have good driving, but most of it is geared towards the mountains.
What is one thing that you really like in Cyprus and you cannot find in Finland?
Not finding thing. Well, Cyprus has everything. It's a small island that has everything.
5 minutes after, and look at the difference here. We are already approaching the sort of desert style area. Oh, let's wait here for the other guys. It's still 1 o'clock. We can still make it definitely in a day. Niklas is now riding with us until Limassol. You can already see that there are not pine trees anymore. I think we're right now entering the what it's called the vineyard area. There should be a lot of vineyards around here. So the whole challenge for today was to make it to all these different terrains in one day. But it seems now we have, or at least I have, a new adventure, because we're a bit far from the nearest gas station. It's about, to be fair, 37 minutes away. Oh, there is a big one. Thank you, Peter. We're like 37 kilometers away, and if you see my gas, I only have 40 kilometers left. So I'm trying not to push it hard, not to push the bike hard, so I can make it. But let's see. No, we're getting closer to Limassol. I really love these colors, the yellow and the red here. And as you see, the whole scenery, the whole landscape changed, but still fun to ride here, guys. I started even feeling warm right now. And as you can see, it's pretty desertish here, but still hilly. Unfortunately, you can also see that a lot of this area was destroyed during a wildfire last year. Unfortunately, I think it was the second largest in Cyprus in the, well, since forever. It's pretty sad to see all of this, but I really hope they will restore everything back. We gotta make sure we preserve the nature, guys. Come on. It's going very well. We are on schedule. I think we'll make it. I'm pretty confident we'll make it, and we'll be able to show you all the different terrains you can drive here. How crazy. Like, some time ago it was like pine forest, and right now it's is this the far west or what is it? Our next stop will be at some tavern, maybe. We gotta eat something. and then continue to the Mediterranean. I'm not sure if you can see, but down there you can already see the skyline of Limassol and the sea. Still looking for a place to eat. We managed to drive through all the different terrains in a day. So that was the first video regarding the different terrains in Cyprus. On the next video, I'll show you some really unique gems, some hidden gems here in Cyprus that you should definitely visit with or without a motorbike. See you on the next one.